Thank you for making a date with us tonight. You are welcome to the Uganda Catholic Television Thursday edition of Uctv News with me, Sunday Gloria Abwoch. The National Unity Platform's Electoral Management Commission has expressed confidence in completing the candidate vetting process within the set time frame. Speaking to journalists at the party headquarters, EMC Deputy Chairperson Ssempijja revealed that the vetting exercise for Wakiso and Kampala will conclude tomorrow. He emphasized that all candidates have demonstrated strong performance during the process, reflecting the party's commitment to fielding a credible and competent team ahead of the upcoming elections.
People power, 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 people power, NUP, everywhere, everywhere, NUP.
We would like to take this very opportune moment to thank all of you, the journalists, all our aspirants who have come, who have turned up in large numbers to participate in this vetting exercise. As today, we would like to gladly inform the general public that first and foremost, we are concluding Kampala. So as of today, we shall be left with only a small portion of Kampala Central to be vetted, which shall be concluded tomorrow. So we had earlier on issued out a schedule where we shall be vetting for local government for Wakiso district from the 2nd to the 7th of next month, that is August. So this is how this is what the breakdown looks like. So on 2nd and 3rd, that is in the due course of this particular weekend, on Saturday and Sunday, we shall be vetting Busiro East, we shall be vetting Nansana Municipality and Chadondo County East. And for the next 2 days, that shall be on the 4th and 5th of August, we shall be vetting Makindye Sabagabo, Entebbe Municipality, and finally Kira Municipality. Then the next day, that shall be on the 6th, everyone from Busiro South and Busiro North shall be expected here at the party secretariat to equally be vetted for that day. And on the 7th, it shall be a day for summing up all that we shall have done within our Wakiso district. And on that day, we shall then communicate the next course of action that the EMC shall be taking.
Kadinga musanvu tujja kwatugalayo emirimu gyaffe gitusoose okukola mu Kampala ne Wakiso. Atubabulye program enaabeddako.
The Secretary General of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, Monsignor John Baptist Kauta, has called on women worldwide to take the lead in restoring Mother Earth, which has been severely degraded by human activity, highlighting the destruction of ecosystems, deforestation, bush burning, and the encroachment of forests and water sources by human settlements. Monsignor Kauta expressed concern over the planet's deteriorating condition. He emphasized the need for urgent action, urging women to champion environmental restoration efforts, particularly through tree planting, as a vital step in healing the earth. His remarks resonate strongly with the theme of the 2025 Uctv Regional Africa Conference, Women Custodians of Mother Earth.
And the Holy Father, Pope Francis, says, let us repair it. That's in simple my theology of Laudato Si. Fix the world and let it go back to its original shape. And the original shape is what the whole world wants to be in. He says, the whole of creation is groaning for salvation. It is asking for birth and a new birth. There you are. As ladies, the world is looking to you for a rebirth. You all know what the rebirth is. It means getting back to the plan of God, where everything is beautiful and restful. As we are restless, we are moving, but at the same time, we are destroying. We are supposed to be custodians But at the same time, we are destructive. We are supposed to plant, but at the same time, we are unplanting, if such a word exists. But if not, make it so for today. We are destructive instead of being constructive, instead of being generative, instead of being those whom God has entrusted with His gifts. And His gifts are, whatever I have made is good.
The Uganda People's Defense Forces has officially released a short list of aspiring candidates for the 2025 general recruitment exercise. The list features successful applicants who met the required qualifications and are expected to participate in the next phase of the recruitment process across various regional centers.
So following a successful exercise of submission of applications by candidates aspiring to join the Uganda People's Defense Forces, we are delighted to announce that the lists of those shortlisted are ready for viewing on the UPDF website, www.updf.ug/careers/ at the district or municipal headquarters as well. So it's both on our website and the district headquarters and the municipal headquarters or city halls. The physical recruitment exercise will begin on the 5th of August 2025 and end on the 15th of August 2025. Those are 10 days at different recruitment centers as earlier published. Those shortlisted should report with 3 passport photographs and an application letter signed by the LC1, GISO, and DISO. Report with the original academic documents as well as photocopies, because the originals will be taken back home. We don't want you to lose your original papers. Those who did not indicate their district of residence, which was a requirement in the applications, we report to the districts mentioned on their national identification cards. For instance, my district of residence is Bukoma Nsimbi, but my ID reads in Mbuya, for example. It means if I did not indicate my district of residence, I should report now to Kampala, because my ID is reading Mbuya, Kampala. That should be understood very well. Those who report with forged documents will face prosecution. Ugandans, I don't know why you love doing things shortcut. Every year, we have people who report with forged documents. Only shortlisted candidates should appear at the recruitment centers. I repeat, only shortlisted candidates. In other words, those who have found their names on the website or at the district or city and municipality offices should be the ones to report for the physical recruitment. Recruitment in the EPDF is free of charge. In the last press conference, I mentioned this, I repeated it, but still, I got calls of people telling me they are being asked for money. And I said, now why are you calling me? I thought I put it very clearly. Nobody should ask you for money. Similarly, there has been some rumor going around on social media. Massive recruitment of engineers. And then I get people calling me, people have gone to school. I said, you fellows, you have gone to school or you haven't? We do announce our recruitment officially. So why are you asking me that this is authentic when you can see very well that this is these are conmen? Successful candidates must report to the Kawawota Basic Military Training School in Ngoma, Nakaseke district within 3 days of recruitment. If you have been recruited on 5th, we expect that by 8th you report to Nakaseke. And like I mentioned the last time, every successful candidate will be given a card to report with at the training school. So you don't have to explain who you are. They have understood. The Ministry of Defence and the Veteran Affairs and indeed the UPDF family wish all the candidates success.
It is time now for Today in History. And with the Rome Reports wraps up our Thursday edition of Uctv News. We do appreciate your company. Keep it here on the Uganda Catholic Television. I am Sunday Gloria Abwoch. Good evening and good night.